Greetings. Welcome to a short series on using the Lesson Activity Toolkit in Smart Notebook software. My name is Amy. I'm at Fort Myers Middle Academy in Fort Myers, Florida, and I'm a Smart Exemplary Educator. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun way to get your students to practice spelling or vocabulary words. We'll be using the Anagram in the Lesson Activity Toolkit. As far as the kids go, it's a game, it's practice, and it's actually kind of fun. For teachers, it really couldn't be any easier. If you have a list of words and their definitions and possibly a picture of that particular word, you can follow these steps and create something that will be fun for your students. First of all, obviously we're in the notebook software. I'm going to add a new page to my document. So I've got a nice clean blank page. On the left side of my computer screen, I'm going to click the gallery tab. In the search bar at the top, I'm going to type in the word anagram. And I'm going to click the little magnifying glass to search. And you'll see that I got 9 items in my search results. I'm going to click the arrow by the folder that says Interactive and Multimedia. Notice that I've got blue anagram, brown, several different colors. Since our school's colors are green and white, I'm going to select the green anagram. I'm going to click and drag it over to my page. And once it's loaded, I'm ready to go. All I have to do is click Edit, and you'll see that I have the opportunity to enter 5 different anagrams or 5 words, 5 clues, and if I want to put in a picture, I can do that. For time's purposes today, I'm not going to add the picture, but we're going to do a couple of words and a couple of clues so that you can get the idea of how this all works. I can password protect it if I want. I can determine how fast the activity will go. I can add a timer if I want, or I can uncheck this box by the timer and not have a timer. Anyway, I teach in a computer lab, so I'm going to use a couple of computer lab vocabulary words. And the first one is going to be hardware. And the clue that it's the physical parts of the computer. And we'll do just another one so you can get an idea. The next one I'll do is keyboard. Okay, now if I click OK, you'll see what happens. I have the red bar. This is the timer at the top, and I can have my students either come up to the smartboard and do this activity using their finger as a mouse, or I can send it to them by using, I have Smart Sync in my computer lab, and I could send this file directly to the students' computers and they could practice at their individual computers. Lots of times the kids really like to do this in front of the classroom, and it just gets to be just a good time. Anyway, if I click the button that says Start, it puts out all these different little circles, and what the kids have to do is use their finger as a mouse to put the letters of the word in the correct order to spell the word correctly. When I get it right, I get a nice little message saying that I did the job correctly. We're going to go to the next word, and you can see what happens if a student doesn't really know how to get the word or doesn't know what the word is. So click Next, and here's my second word. And perhaps as a student you have no idea what this vocabulary word is, so I can click Clue, and it'll tell me you type on a keyboard. This was pretty obvious, wasn't it? So again, we drag the letters into the correct order, and there we go. This is a lot of fun, and again, I can use this in either by sending the file to the students right on their computers, or by playing this game right up on the smart board at the front of the class. It's a lot of fun, it's easy, and either way the students are likely to practice and learn a little bit more about some important vocabulary words. So remember, it's the Anagram activity. It's in the Smart Notebook Lesson Activity Toolkit. I hope you have lots of fun using this great activity. Thanks for watching.